DashPass is DoorDash's subscription service that offers valuable benefits to frequent users. Understanding how to manage your trial is essential to avoid unexpected charges. The standard DashPass free trial lasts 30 days, though promotional periods may vary. After the trial ends, you'll be charged $9.99 per month or $96 per year unless you cancel beforehand. There are three main ways to cancel your DashPass trial. The first and most common method is through the DoorDash mobile app. The second method is through the DoorDash website. This is useful if you prefer using a computer or if the mobile app isn't available. The third method applies if you subscribe through a third-party platform like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. In this case, you need to manage your subscription directly through those services. Remember to cancel before your trial period ends to avoid being charged. Set a calendar reminder a few days before your trial expires to ensure you don't forget. Following best practices can help you avoid unwanted charges and ensure smooth trial cancellation. Here are the essential steps to protect yourself. First, and most importantly, set a calendar reminder immediately after starting your trial. Schedule it for 2 to 3 days before the trial expires to give yourself time to cancel. Document your trial start date and keep records. Take a screenshot of your subscription confirmation or write down the exact date you started the trial. Enable DoorDash notifications to stay informed about your subscription status and upcoming charges. The DoorDash app will send you notifications about order updates and promotional offers. Make sure these notifications are enabled so you receive important subscription reminders. Sometimes you may encounter issues during the cancellation process. Here are common problems and their solutions. Common issues include difficulty finding cancellation options, outdated app versions, or account synchronization problems between different login methods. If you cannot resolve the issue yourself, contact DoorDash customer service immediately. They can help you cancel your subscription and prevent unwanted charges. The DoorDash customer support page provides multiple ways to get help. You can chat through the app, visit the help center, or call their support number for immediate assistance. After canceling your trial, monitor your bank statements carefully to ensure no unexpected charges appear. Check your bank statements regularly for any DoorDash charges. If you see unexpected charges after canceling, contact your bank immediately to dispute the transaction. By following these best practices and knowing how to troubleshoot common issues, you can confidently manage your DoorDash trial and avoid unwanted subscription charges.